ZimmWriter got an update, as you can see, version 10.0007, and now it's able to generate bulk AI images, and I want to show you how it works in this short video. Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. If you like this kind of content, click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and as you can see here, this is the latest changelog for ZimmWriter. Added a bulk image generator feature to the AI Vault, bug fixes, added SD3, Stable Diffusion 3 and SD3 Turbo, even if it's quite expensive if compared with other image generator models. Added the ability to copy data from the clipboard for the local SEO buffet, and so on. You also have a very good YouTube video from Matt Zimmerman on the Ranking Tactics YouTube channel, where he shows very in details how this bulk image generator works. Here it is, bulk AI image generator. This is an example of an image with all the instructions to generate images in bulk just by clicking a button. So this is the new version of ZimmWriter. The first thing I want to show you is this option menu. You now have this set AI image prompt, where you can see there is a default prompt. You may leave this one. This is the prompt that will be used to generate prompts for images. But if you want, you can default override, you can write your own default prompt, and if you enable save slot prompt, you will be able to save different ones. Let's choose this default, and now in this AI Vault, as you can see, you have this bulk AI image generator. Here you have your link to the guide, as you can see here, and this is where you can list up to 1000 blog titles or blog URLs, each one on a new line, and you can generate really a ton of images at once if you want. I will show an example with two different kind of titles. Let's say this is a title, how to cook pizza, very simple in this case, and I also use a URL. This is a URL from a blog article, so you can use both kind of things. Now here is where I can choose my prompt. You can even write directly here, or you can choose the default one. It's the one I showed you before. And take a look at this, because here is not where you give your image prompt. Here you give a prompt to generate image prompts. Write a prompt to generate an image without text for a blog post about title. This is a variable. As you can see, it will use this title in this case. On the subtopic of subheading, this subheading will be generated directly under the scenes by ZimmWriter. Use detailed visual language that is specific, no text or words in the image. Make the prompt less than 35 words. This will generate different prompts for different images, but under the scene. I will show you later. Here is where you can choose the GPT model you want to use to generate prompts for images. Let's use GPT 3.5 Turbo. Here is where you choose your AI image model, and as you can see, you have a ton of models. You can use DALL-E 3 with OpenAI API key, and you also have the cost for every image here. For example, if you want to use DALL-E 3 HD Vivid, you will spend 12 cents per image. Or if you want to use a Stable Diffusion, you have different options with different styles, no style or D3 model, analog film, these are the cheapest one. Or you can choose other models, SDC, it's 10 times more expensive than this one, or you can also use SDT. Even here it's a little bit more expensive than this one. Or you can use the new SD3, the Stable Diffusion 3, it's 0.065 for each image. In order to use this Stable Diffusion, you obviously need an API key from Stable Diffusion, and you will pay directly Stable Diffusion. For the sake of this example, I will use this DALL-E 3. Here is where I can choose how many images I want for each title or URL. From 1 to 15, let's choose 3. And here is where I can choose if I want to compress images or if I want big size images. If you want to upload directly to WordPress, maybe you can compress images. In this case, I will not use this option. And be aware, if you want to scrape URLs, you will use your IP address, but there are some sites where you can't scrape with your IP address, so if it gives you some kind of error, you will need to use the scrape all tool in order to scrape these URLs. I suppose this will work with my IP address, so I just need to click on this button now. I confirm and just wait. Okay, ZimmWriter generated my images. I have here the folder on my PC where I have to look in order to find these images. And here it is. As you can see, I have a text file, how to cook pizza. If I open this text file, here is where I can see the prompts generated under the scenes by ZimmWriter in order to generate images. So, create an image of a variety of pizza crust options such as thin, thick, stuffed and so on. Create an image showcasing a variety of fresh and flavorful pizza toppings. Create an image showcasing the step-by-step process. So, as you can see, these prompts are generated automatically by ZimmWriter. Now let's watch these images. This is the first. Obviously, images depends on the AI model you choose. In this case, I have this image. Then the second one, it's this one. And the third one is this one. So in this case, with the AI model I used from DALL-E 3, I have these different images for how to cook pizza. And obviously, depending on the niche you are in, depending on the kind of images you want, you can use different AI models. Now, this is my other text file from the URL I scraped. Create an image showing a variety of natural elements like dried herbs, citrus peels, and so on. As you can see, if you want, you can read all these prompts. And these are my other images. I used the same DALL-E 3 AI model. Not bad at all, this image. This is the second one. As you can see, it's like this. And this is the third one. Again, if you want, with this AI Vault, bulk AI generator, and these different AI models, you can use whatever you want. From DALL-E 3, you have 4 different styles. Obviously, these ones with HD will generate better images, but at a higher cost. Or Stable Diffusion, and you obviously need an API key from Stable Diffusion. Here in the option menu, you need to go here, set up image API. You can include your stability API key in order to use Stable Diffusion AI models. Anyway, if you watch this video from Matt Zimmerman, you will have a way better idea on how to generate images. As you can see, you can generate different kind of images, all pretty good. And this is a very useful feature if you maybe have a blog where you need to generate many images at once. You just need to include titles or URLs, and you will have many images to choose from at a very low cost with just the click of one button. This is the new interesting feature, the bulk image generator in ZimmWriter. If you already use ZimmWriter, good for you. If you are interested in purchasing ZimmWriter, these are the different plans. You can find a link in the description. You have a lifetime deal still available. It's a limited time deal. You will be able to use ZimmWriter for life, including future updates, and remember, you need to use your OpenAI API key, or you need to use other APIs if you want to generate content or images. Or you can choose the monthly plan for $25.97, or you can choose the yearly plan. Again, you can find the link in the description. ZimmWriter remains one of the best choices in the AI writing world, and you have many options here. If you don't know how it works and want to know more, you can find many videos about ZimmWriter here on my channel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Again, you can click here if you want to see other contents about ZimmWriter. Thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you soon in the next video.